go to the PlayStation. Yep, there's a PlayStation. And you have a button over here. The right button is for DVD or Blu-ray. The left button is for power. We push and hold until we boot, we shut down the system. We wait until the LED is off, and then we will restart our PlayStation. And we are going to restart it in the hidden menu, okay? And now it's on the ground, baby. Here we go. We push. Once you hear it, push and hold again until you hear the second beep sound. Here we are. Now we have to plug in our controller. Here we go. There it is. Connect the controller using the USB cable and then press the PlayStation button. Okay, let's perform this. We get this in position. Get it in. Here we are. Okay, PlayStation button push. And here we are. This is the safe mode of our PlayStation. Okay, now we can start or restart the PlayStation 5 with the first option. The second is change the video output. This is not the solution in our... Repair constant storage. No, this is an automatic thing after your power cycling. So we does not need that right now. Update system software. Maybe this fixes the problem. No, not in 3 beep of death, but maybe in other problems. Restore default settings. This is only if you, if you have problems with your default settings, but it's not a fixed thing to make a troubleshooting in software problems. Clear cache and rebuild the database. This is a long time of running. Maybe it's not our thing. But here, reset PlayStation 5. But in the most of the time, go to 8, reset PlayStation 5, and reinstall the system software. Then you have a software-based fresh system after this, and you most of the time you fix your problem. Okay, this is the most software-based solution for your PlayStation. And after that restart, here we are rebooting now, the software will be fixed anymore. That's really cool, and you can make it at home. And if this brings not your solution, you have to go to the support of Sony, of course. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.